Hi there, this is Mangi Chaitanya Kumar and welcome back to our YouTube channel Eternal Learning. Hope you are doing fine and fantastic. So, see, most of the times while we are doing important work on our laptops or desktops, they get hanged up or they get dead slow, leaving us frustrated and stressed up, and sometimes we even feel like throwing them out, don't we? So in this video, I came up with few tasks, or you can call them a tips or tricks. If you do them, if you perform them, then your system speed will increase for sure. So without any further delay, let's get into these steps. But firstly, if this is the first time you are watching the channel, so please do subscribe, share, and also click this bell icon so that you will get intimated whenever I make a new videos on this. Okay, so let's get started. The first and foremost important thing what we need to do is, these are the few simple tips and tricks. If you do them regularly, then your system will work very efficiently without lagging or without without giving a trouble. So let's get started with the first tips. I will show you, there are around 5 to 6, I think there are 7 tips are there. Just I'll be telling you, just watch my browser. So first what I have to do is just type run, then you will get this. So here just type, because first we'll delete the temp files if we have any. Yeah, here once you type that, it will lead us to this page where you have all these temp files. Just do thing, just Control A, so that you will get selected all the things which you want to delete. Just press the delete button here. Yeah, so we have deleted all the things which are not required for the system. So this is the first step. Then close this. Just one more time, open the run app. You type prefetch, that is PREFETCH. Just click on OK button. Yeah, it will lead us to this page where you have to delete all these things. Type Control A, press the delete button. That's done. So we are done with the second step. So now we'll move to third step. The third step is just click on the taskbar, right click on the taskbar, you will get this. Just click on the task manager. So what I have to do is just click on the startups. Here what we are doing is, whatever the startup apps are there which we don't require, that's we are disabling them. But be careful here, just don't delete the antivirus apps or Microsoft apps which are required, which are inbuilt apps, default apps, that you need to be very careful. Just if you want to, because already I have done this upgrade helper, I already have disabled this. Just click on them and disable it, just and close this. Like, what you will get once you click on this, if you want to see this one is there, just you want to disable this. Now if you can enable this, we already have disabled this. Earlier it was enabled, so I made it disable. Okay, just close it. This is the third step. Then we'll go with the fragmentation part, like defragment and optimize thing. Here, going to the control panel, click on the control panel, click the systems and security. Here, just scroll it down, you will find in the administrative tools we have the defragment and optimize your drives. Just click on this. Yeah, you'll get this. See, yeah, it's already given that you can optimize your drives to help your computer run more efficiently, or analyze them to find out if they need to be optimized. So what you have to do is, just because the Windows C is the drive where we have this operating system and all this stuff, just if you want to optimize it, just optimize this. Click here. Once you get the blue color on this, just optimize it. Yeah, it's already done for me, because recently I have done optimization, all these things. Once you are done with it, just close this. That's how you do the optimization of this. close this. Then next comes the free up the disk space. So Windows is the important part because there we have a lot of things like operating systems and all the stuff, whatever required important thing for the systems we have in this. Just click on the OK button. It's calculating, disk cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on Windows. This may take a few minutes. Yes, you are here. So if it, see, this is downloaded programmable files. You have a temporary internet files. If you don't require this temporary internet files or downloaded program files, just what you can do is just clean up these files. Just click clean up system files. Nothing will happen. Just you can go with it. Your all the data will be safe. Only the unwanted or only the things which you don't require will get deleted from this. So without any worries, you can do this. Okay, so disk it will take some time because it needs to check and update package backup files. It's scanning update package backup files. Leave it for a while. It will take this. Yeah, this may take few minutes to complete. Yeah, just clean it up. You don't require this because temporary internet files and downloaded program files, you don't require them. Just close them. Yes, you can close this now. The next thing what we'll do is we'll open the search run. We'll open the run app. There here we type. This is called hide Windows services. We'll hide Microsoft services here. We'll just type msconfig. Once you type this, you'll get the window. Here you select the services part. Okay, just what you have to do is hide all Microsoft services. That you don't have to disable them. Just you need to click on this. Just tick on this and then press OK. That's it. Okay, once you are done with that, again you open this run command. Open this, type regedit, regedit. Full version is registry edit. Yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to a device? Yes. Nothing will happen. What I have to do is see for most of the systems, it is. I'll show you. Just click this. Open this H key current user. Click on that. You will get the control panel. Just click on the control panel. See here you have the mouse part. Just double click on this mouse part. You will get here. In the mouse part, what you have to do is mouse hover time. Here you have, once you double click on this, normally we have around 400 or that sort, 400 ms. So what I did is I made it to 10 seconds. Make sure you made it 10 seconds so that your cursor will run faster. Close this. Again go to the desktop part. Double click on this. You'll get here. You see menu show delay. Just click on the menu show delay. Here also you will have the 400 and then I made it to 10. Okay, just click OK. Now you close this. Now you are done with this. Also you can do after this visual settings are there. For that what you have to do is go to the advanced settings. Just click. Just go into the view advanced system settings. Once you click this, see here. These are all our advanced settings. We have the visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage and virtual memory. Just click on this button, settings button. Yes. Here what you will find is whatever you don't want, let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Yes, you can leave it, or else if you want to adjust for the best performance, you can click here. See, everything you can do for the performance, for the appearance, how do you want your Windows to look, how do you want your system to look, you can do from here. You can adjust. Okay, you can do changes here, adjust for the best appearance. You have a lot of things here, animate, control, and element inside Windows, animations in the taskbar, enable peak, fade out menu items. So whatever the animations you require, however you want your system to be, you can do it from here. Just I will do now, adjust for the best performance. You can do that, but already it's in my best performance, so I'm not doing anything. Just otherwise you can click here. Okay, once you do that, whatever you wanted, just you can select from this. Okay, but in which case I'm putting back. I'm clicking back on the left window, choose what's best for my computers. That's okay. I'm done with this. Okay, that's all about this, guys. So once you do this, your system will work as fast as you required, and trust me, if you do it regularly, then you'll see that your system works very efficiently. Okay, it won't trouble you. It's like, maintenance part, what we do on our vehicles, that we need to do regularly on our systems also, because we get a lot of junk mails, because we normally surf through internet and browse through lots of social media stuff and all this, and so we may tend to get a lot of junk sort of things. So we need to regularly should inculcate the habit of cleaning this. Okay, that's all for the video, guys. So we'll meet up in the next video. Till then, goodbye, thank you, take care.